Hey everyone, I am Arnav and this is my first YouTube video, and the topic which I have chosen for today's video is how to do market research. Now let's see what we will learn from this video. Firstly, we will understand what and why of market research. Then we will see the steps of market research, and in the end we will see the conclusion. What is market research? The activity of gathering the information about the consumer need, taste and preferences is known as market research. Now, why we need this market research? We need market research because we want to know that what exactly our customer want from us so that we can create the product accordingly. As we all know that the success of a product depends upon the satisfaction level that a consumer receives. So, market research plays a very important role in it. Now, step one of doing so is you have to create a survey form using Google Form. There you can create certain questions related to the product so that you can get the answers from your customers and your audience. Now your feedback form is ready. Now what you need to do, you need to find the places from where you can share it. Now the places where you can share it is, first is direct mail. Why I am saying direct mail? You know that there are some certain crucial customers which you have, which always tend to have a connection with you and they always interact with you, they buy product from you, so you want specially to send them email, so you have to send them directly. Okay, after you have sent them the direct email, what you can do is you can copy the link and you can use it on your email list. So email list is the second option. Your email list might be supported from a certain tool, maybe Aweber, maybe MailChimp. So you can copy the link and you can use it on your email marketing tool. The third option is Facebook group. Firstly, you have to understand what your niche is and you have to find the groups accordingly. When you have found the group accordingly, your niche, you can send those Google Forms in it so that you can get the answers of it. Now the conclusion of this video is you have to create a survey form, and then after you have to share it on your direct emails, email list, Facebook groups and other places also where you think you can get the answers from it. Thank you for being with me till the end. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Till the next video, keep smiling, be productive, don't be busy. Hey everyone.